are still huge. Out there on the backside, I want to say that they got to be 6-7 feet. So that first day I was here, or Sunday, they had to be 10 or 12. You know, I might have been, they're freaking huge out there. And way on out, they're even bigger. But anyway, this is Wednesday, and we're gonna see what we can find. And at least it's not as windy. It might be blowing 10 or 15 at the worst, I imagine. So I'll be able to move around a little bit better. Because that wind in the water, boy, it gets you. All right, let's see what we can find. All right, I'm popping a 15-16. Now, as soon as you dig, you know, it starts dancing as usual. All right. See some rust. Yeah, old bottle caps are showing up. Before. All right. And I got something, yay! I got a dime. We ain't going on broke, but we fixing to get our butt wet in a minute if we don't watch out. All right, started with a 9, went all the way to a 1. I don't know. Got it. Got too much of it. About to run out of water. Look at that. I got a bolt. Can't say I got screwed. I guess I got bolted. I did believe it popped a 2018. Yeah, 21. Yeah, 2021. This deep. What are we looking at, water? And 2023. 20. I'm always watching this water when I'm dumping stuff out because it is coming fast. I don't mind losing coins, man. I just don't want to lose a ring. Alrighty, penny. It's pretty much like a straight up 19. Still a 19. Somewhere in this thing. 19. Don't be a penny. Be something else. Oh, here's something heavy. I don't see nothing. It's probably fishing weight. And it is. Alright. Got a little bit of lead. Alright. Just a little up, about 3 or 4 feet. I got a 19 next to my fishing weight. This is 18, 19. Alrighty. Did it just roll down? No. There's a fishing weight. Same size. Alrighty. It comes in. I'm trying to adjust it where you can see it. And it comes in hard. I'm standing nothing. Then it's up to your knees and a heartbeat. But we'll bring you back when we find something. Looks like a tent stake. I wish I had $1 for every tent stake I had. I'd be rich. All right, looks like we got a penny. I think it was a 23. See if I got it. And I do. Yay, look at there. I didn't think I had it. All right, mercy. Nailed a quarter. And all the water came in. Hope y'all can see. All right. I get it. I hope so. Hey, look at there. Can't beat that. First scoop. That's an old one. Not really. 1993. Looks like a dime. 25. Maybe on the back side. Hey, look at there. On the floor. 25. Come on. Oh, Lord. I'm going to lose it. I lost it. Oh, well. I wish I had an oil well. It's a penny. I got her. All right, another quarter. 29. $30. Come on, out of there. All right, we got her now. Here comes some more water. All right, second quarter of the day. This tide starts going out. I'll be able to get down there and see if I can find some. Penny, all right. 2023 and a weird 8, I think. There's a 9 and a 10. Okay. Maybe it's not a penny. Yeah, it's a penny. He's got all kind of barnacle crap all over. Alrighty, penny. Got something weird here. It's ringing up like 31, 32, 33. Alright, let's see what it is. How deep was it? Ooh, I got it. What is that? Ooh, another little token. The other one was Mardi Gras. This thing on? Am I talking to myself? What is on this thing? Gulf Coast Carnival Association. And this one says 2003, and I cannot read what that says. Timeless Wonder. I don't know, that kind of looks like Disney. I don't know, it's not Disney. It's got the pyramids, Eiffel Tower, you know, all kind of crap in here. I don't know, but that's pretty cool. 1908 at the top. I think I saw a 2003 somewhere. Yeah, right here. Alright, that's pretty cool. Wonder how long he's been out here. Alright. Alright, looks like another quarter. Maybe not. It's 31. It might be another one of them little tokens. It is. Right there it is. That's the second one. I mean, what the heck's going on with that? This one's different. 1996. Mystic. Can't read that. Aquarius. Mardi Gras. So that's a Mardi Gras. They're probably all Mardi Gras tokens. Somebody lost all their Mardi Gras. Looking like another token. 3133. The other one I found was a couple days ago. It was way on down the beach. I ain't got no water. And there she blows. Every one of these are different. I'll just take pictures of them so you guys can see them. Ideal for industrial and agriculture. Mobile County, Alabama. Roll Tide Roll, 1812. And that's something. Can't slaw in the world. Kind you ain't got to dig. Right, I got a 9 and a 7. Okay, maybe. Five, 6, 7, 8. Thrust. Maybe. And it's a bottle cap. Well, there's some old bottle caps here. Started out 16, 17. Then I pinpointed it. Then it went all the way to 22. So it's kind of been all over the place. I don't know where it went. There's a 13 beeping in there. That's it. I think it's negative now. Nope, there's my 16. What is that? I don't have a clue what that is. Is that it? We're going to go wash that off. All right, give me a second. Water's way out. I'm going to clean this up and I'll go wash this off. You want to bet what it is? Hope I didn't show you. But it's ringing up a 16. Let's see if I can clean it off. Anyway, I can't get it off. I'm going to have to get some pliers on this sucker. It is like a rock. But it looks like a penny right there. If it's not, I don't know what it is. But I'll get it off. I'll let you know. $20. All right. Shallow 20. I see it. Okie dokie. Straight up 13. Nobody's coming behind me. Come on. I got it. We got a nickel. Alrighty. Well, the tide's slowly going out. But man, I was standing a while ago. I wish I'd had the camera on. I was in nothing. It was up to my, I don't know, my shorts got about halfway wet. It was almost up to my waist. I was on my tiptoes. But it came in from nothing to this deep. So this deep right here. But you can see those waves out there. I don't know if this camera's gonna get them, man, but I'm surprised there's no surfers out here. But I'm kind of hoping it dies down a little bit. I ain't gonna be able to stay much longer. It's getting late. Alrighty. Well, just screamed at me. I keep hitting something, but it went negative. I don't even know what I got out there. Is it a tent stake? God, I'm so tired of digging tent stakes. We're gonna make them illegal for the beach. Alrighty. Alrighty. So we didn't get any jewelry today. I got 2 quarters, a dime, a nickel, I think 5 pennies. So that's 60, 70 cents. A couple fishing weights. I got 3 of those tokens. I found one the other day. The other one was gold. Ran to another metal detector down there. He had one too. So that's a total of 5 that's been found on this beach. And the weirdest thing I got here is this little thing. Looks like there's a penny in there. I'm hoping there's something else in there with it, but I seriously doubt it. So I'll get all that crap off. If there's anything other than a penny, I'll show you. But if nothing else, thank you guys for watching and subscribing, and we will see you next time.